Hey guys, no, it's been a while, but I got a new project car, and I kind of want to document the journey. Want to basically turn it into a track car so that I can kind of not really have to rely on my STI being the dedicated track car anymore. It's getting pretty old, and I have a lot of sentimental value attached to it, and I don't necessarily want to wreck it. Have a lot of rare parts on it. Well, not super rare, but so this one is being replaced by this one. It's my husband, and we are going to just kind of wing it and build out this car to be a fun little autocross and kind of street track car. So need some advice on what we should do, what you think we should do, little knickknacks, kind of secret like Easter eggs you might know. Right now we're just kind of doing basic, swapping some coils over. I have my stock BBS wheels for my STI. We're gonna put those on. Yeah, and kind of thinking wide body EJ207. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Definitely seen some better days, but we are one step closer. Well, if you wanted to know, GD front coils fit on the GC. Technically, what is this? It's a GM, right? Is it GM or is it GC?
GM. Eat a dick. Top hats aren't gonna fit.
What?
They need to be this big.
What do?
The rear top hats.
And what are they?
There. That big.
So they're bigger?
Bigger.
So we'll have to swap the top
We'll
hats.
just swap the top hats on the rear.
But the knuckles work.
The knuckles are fine.
Okay. Well, shit.
Let's get swapping.
That didn't pop either.
I know.
That wasn't really satisfying. We're so close. So close. So, this is very, very loose. But we need to raise this, adjust it, if anything. So, there might be enough pressure on it. With that, we'll see. And that's how much clearance we have. Don't worry, talking to my peoples on the video.
Oh.
But I do love a set of BBS wheels on this car. Looks good. I'm disgusting. Disgusting. Covered, just covered. But it's done. It looks dang good. GD suspension does work. It's a little questionable in some areas. We might want to get something specific for it more permanently, but I'm loving this.